bracket's pretty cool. It comes with mounting bracket, clip for the mounting bracket, and brass washers. It's pretty cool. It was a good price too. It was like $50. It was cheaper than anything else I could find. And I think it's for like a Grand Cherokee, but it will definitely work. First thing you're gonna do is remove the Torx right there, and then you can crack the brake line. I'm gonna remove the Torx and then mount the bracket. Alrighty, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna crack this. Alright. Just get it cracked. Alright, get your drip pan down here because it's gonna make a big ass mess. Alright. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and crack it off the caliper or remove the line. Okay. That's a 14 millimeter. It's gonna get messy. Messy. Alright, so you're not going to reuse the brass washers. Fall in there, but you're going to reuse the banjo bolt because this kit doesn't come with one, an extra one. So reuse that. Okay, put that off to the side. And disconnect this guy. And I'm using a 3/8. So T40 Torx right here. Remove that screw. Save the screw because you need the screw. Grab yourself the new bracket. So you're going to want to orientate the bracket like that through the line. Okay. It's kind of hard to tighten up after you have the line in the way. Just get it kind of tight. Get that in there like that. I'm going to get my new hose. Old banjo bolt, new washers. Okay, put one on there. Get your brake line. Okay. What you can do is you can look for. You can kind of see there's like a little lip in there, and that little lip goes against the bolt side, the bolt head side. Like that. Get your washers. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to the caliper now. Just screw it in. for it to be cool, but I broke mine. Okay, orientate it the way you want it. Tighten it down, but not too much where you're going to break it. Get your brake line. Fight with it a little bit. Threads going in there. Once you get the threads going, just get into the bracket right here. Tighten up the one. Turn this. My lines I kind of want to face them inward a little bit so they don't get hit by the tire. Alright. And then all you gotta do is comes with this clip. Okay, insert it in there. Get yourself a hammer. I'm gonna get my dumbass claw hammer. That's tight. Alright, that's pretty much it. You can go back and tighten this, but you need like a longer Torx. Okay, because my Torx will hit the right there. Hit it with some brake clean. Clean it all up, get all the brake fluid off everything, and then we're gonna bleed. And I'll show you, I'm gonna bleed it by myself, so a little tool that'll do that. Seen it in my videos, you can use it a bunch of times, so. Cool. Got my Motive one-man bleeder. I've used this on, got a couple of videos on me using this thing. Works really well for bleeding brakes by yourself, so. Open up the bleeder. I want it to be kind of loose so I can move it really pretty easily. Just get this hose. All this is a check valve, really. Just a little bottle setup. Go into the bleeder. There's this little clamp. I'll clamp onto the top of it and hold it on there good. Okay. All you gotta do is crack it enough. Go pump the brake, man. That's it. Up a little bit more. And that's pretty much it.